Okay, here we go. Does my hair look good?
No, your hair looks great.
Your hair looks awesome too.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
All right. So, tell me how you're doing.
I'm doing great.
Awesome.
I love it. What a bright world that I had no idea what I'm living in.
Awesome. How did your vision change since you had your cataracts removed?
I had no idea there were so many colors. I mean, last night I was watching my kids play water polo and everything was bright, beautiful.
Yeah.
I could see them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's great.
The yellow smoke is gone.
Yes. And that smoke should not come back. Cataracts don't come back. Once we remove them, they're gone.
Awesome.
Okay. So your lens implants should last you forever. They should not change.
Well, at least the rest of my life.
Yes, exactly. Yes. As long as you live. Hopefully a long, healthy life.
I hope so too.
Yeah. So today I'm going to be checking your lens implants.
Yes.
I'm going to be checking your vision. You are hitting 20/20 vision in both eyes. And so I do want to compare the eyes. There can be slight differences, but I want you to compare them and tell me if you think that they are about the same or if one is a little bit better than the other. Let me know, okay?
Okay.
But because they're both 20/20 far away, I expect them to be close, but each eye can be a little bit different. So, first off, without pushing on your eye, cover your left eye, okay? When you look at those letters over there, all right? We look at those letters. Now, compare it to the other side. Does one eye look better?
This is a little more focused, but I can read with both.
Okay.
But
now compare it back to the other side.
Oh, this is focused too.
All right.
Okay.
But do you prefer one versus the other? Does one look darker, about the same?
Yeah, perfect.
They're both very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a look through this. I'm gonna have you rest your chin right there. All right, just like that. I'm just gonna hire my chair here for a second. All right, here, hire my chair. Okay, and you can keep blinking as normal. I'm just gonna take a look. And I'm gonna show what your lenses look. Stay right there. You can blink normally. One. Very, very good. Turn this a little bit. You can keep looking straight ahead towards me. Okay. Let's go back to this first one. Very, very good. Looks excellent. All right, and so now I'm going to show you a reading card, okay? So the same way I compared your far vision over there, I want you to look at this reading card. So hold this. For you guys watching, this right eye is Eyhance. This left eye is B&L Aspire. They're comparable lenses. They both make the same claims in terms of how they perform. So let's see if we can tell a difference between the two. First, I want you to do is I want you to cover your left eye. All right, so stay there, cover your left eye. And so I'm going to just show you where you're looking, and you can hold it wherever you're comfortable. That's a pretty good distance.
Okay.
And on this column, there are numbers. How low can you go without pushing hard on your eye? Yeah, I don't want you to push so you don't blur that eye.
8745.
Okay.
And after that, it's a little unfocused. I need to squint.
Okay.
And I get 63.
Okay, so
823. I don't know.
Okay, so that's where you stop there. Now do the opposite. Okay.
Oh wow.
Same thing, and then hold it around the same spot. Okay.
63825.
All right. So when you cover the other side, like switch your hand to the other side, does it feel the one's better than the other, or are they about the same?
63925.
Yeah, 639. So look at that line. Cover your left eye again.
Left eye.
All right. Look at that line.
XOX.
Okay, just those numbers.
Oh, numbers. Okay.
And now cover the other side. See which one you like more.
I like this better.
So your left one is a tiny bit stronger for the intermediate range vision.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Thank you so much.
Will it get better as it heals more?
It can. It very well can. And we'll keep checking it with your visits.
Yes, sir.
But there is, most of the time, if we really get picky about testing the eyes, there's always a little difference.
Okay.
There's always a little difference. But your lens implants are what we call basic lens implants. They're good for far.
Uh-huh.
They're not the best for reading.
Yes.
In order to see up close well, you need to have reading glasses. And you can get over-the-counter reading glasses. Most people are very happy with around a +2 or 2.5. You don't need it stronger than that. If you use computer, you don't even need a +2 or 2.5. You can use a +1 or 1.5, and that should be sufficient.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Anything I can do for you?
You've done so much already. Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure, sir. My pleasure. I'm very happy that you're doing well. And then thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sharing your experience with everybody, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, a couple follow-up questions. About the day of surgery. Did it hurt?
Not at all.
A lot of people are worried that the surgery
There
hurts.
was no
No
pain.
pain at all.
It went by like that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, good. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.
Bye.